what I'd like to show you is one of my favorites. And this is a little box of 48 little Vaseline containers, which I bought from Amazon for about $16. It's an amazing deal. And I carry these little Vaseline jars everywhere, in my pocket, in my pocketbook, in my car. And it's a great way just to moisturize your lips. Or if you have any cuts on your fingers, it's a great way to help heal any cuts or dry skin on your fingers. Then, going to one of my other favorites. This is Burt's Bees. And I love this little Burt's Bees cuticle cream. They also have a great Burt's Bees for your hands. And then I might have mentioned this before, but at Trader Joe's, and you can hardly read the writing here because it's so used, this is the best Trader Joe's Rose Oil Ultra Moisturizing Hand Cream. It's wonderful, it smells great, it goes on great, it's very reasonable, and it's fantastic. Love that. And then for the body, I just use any kind of moisturizer, such as like for Nivea or Aveeno body lotion. This one my daughter loves. I love the Aveeno lotion. It's fantastic, especially to put it on after you've had a shower.